Tom Wichman from Florida Friendly Landscaping Program shares with us some yard maintenance tips on proper pruning.
Anyone with trees in a landscape is going to need to know how to do a three-point cut. Three-point cut is used to protect the tree from being damaged when you're pruning off limbs. So any limb that has a lot of weight on it, anything really bigger than an inch or so, you need to be thinking about using a three-point cut. Number one, you're going to come out about 6 to 8 inches from the trunk, and you're going to undercut that branch about halfway. Then you're going to go out an inch or so from that and go from the top and remove that limb. It'll break off right there, and it's not going to rip the bark from the trunk. That's what we want to be careful about doing. Once that branch is removed, it's time for that third cut, okay? That third piece of the three-point cut. And we're gonna cut just outside of the branch collar, that swollen area where that branch intersects the trunk. And that will allow that tree to wall off the injury and protect it from decay. If you're at all hesitant about how big a limb is or how much weight it may carry, maybe you consult a certified arborist to take care of that limb for you. A three-point cut is a simple skill. It just takes a little bit of practice. But if you master this technique, you'll really protect your trees and they'll be able to wall off injury.